Good day, everyone. Jeff here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. And today I've got the pleasure of taking you aboard a 2024 Sea Ray SLX 350 equipped with Mercury 400 V10s, guys. Beautiful boat here. As you can see, it's got the teak flooring in it all the way throughout the boat on the side rails. Looks absolutely gorgeous, along with the dune interior. Starting at the back of the boat here, you'll see we do have, since we have the outboards, we've got a little bit of added storage here. So I call this a cooler slash shoe storage. Got a little bit of a nice little lounger set up here on the back. This flips up here, down to the back of the boat. Got a little bit of a latch here. And out slides a footrest that does lock into place, guys. Very, very, very well built boat here by Sea Ray. Gonna have a ton of amenities onto it. It's basically the ultimate day boat here at the lake. As you come into the boat here, we've got another cooler or shoe storage, bumper storage, line storage, fresh water there as well. Doggy door coming to the side. Look at this seating throughout the boat. Got this lounger set up installed right now. This does, of course, come out and stow. As you walk into the boat, convenient area for your battery switches. We've got the Kenyan grill, faucet, trash, room for dual trash, if you will, and fridge slash small freezer. Just a ton of room in this boat. Coming to the helm, got everything set up, every light on that you need. You can have access joystick control, dual throttle controls, the auto trim over there, all your screens, depth finders, gauges, and everything perfectly done by Simrad. We do have a cabin on this boat, which probably makes it the premier bow ride here for Lake of the Ozarks. This does have cabin AC, I believe. Just enough room to get down there and get out of the humidity and get out of the hot. It does come equipped with a TV there on the side. Coming across the boat to the starboard side, front of the helm, got a nice sized head. Very well done. Little step here, does easily fold down. The door closes. Got a ton of room up here in the bow. I've got this configured with just the seats or with the loungers here as well. Full control of the windlass. Dune interior, 400 outboards, teak flooring, Sea Ray SLX 350 2024. Come see us at MarineMax.com, the marina. Contact me at 573-606-3035. Schedule a showing today.